Anytime uko na stress, ukitaka kuresolve stress, stay around people who are close to you. This can be family members or a close friend mwenye mmetokezana roho, mwenye mnaambiana mambo na hata enda kuweka kwa Meru FM, okay? Muga FM, inaitwa Muga. Uisikie kwa Muga FM. Unajua kuna mtu anaweza fungulia roho yako, then unaisikia iko kwa first page of the newspaper the following day. Stay close to people you are connected with. I don't know how you feel when you go to Christmas or a holiday. Unacheza na watu wa familia yenu. How do you feel? Kama sio wao wanakupea stress, you usually feel good. And that's why sometimes kuna hiyo blood connection. Unasikianga you want to meet your brother, you want to meet your sister, you want to meet your mom. Mtu utampea story na hata kujudge. The only authentic person, your parent, atakwambia venye iko. Na the way she feels is true. Whatever she says is what she means about you. Okay? Stay close to supportive people like family members. It can be family members, it can be your close friend. Ule unajua, your fiancé, your husband, your wife, kama sio yeye anakupatia drama, your brother or your sister. Please check. Abia neighbor connect.